warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. Introduce myself. My name is Safira Amalia from class Accounting 3B, number 24. I will present my final project proposal with the title Calculation, Withholding, and Reporting of Income Tax Article 23 at RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo in 2021. Discussion. Number 1. Introduction. Contains the background, problem formulation, objective and benefit, writing methods, and writing systematic. Number 2. Literature review. Definition of corporate income tax subject, income tax object, corporate income tax rate, fiscal correct, and reconciliation. Number 3. Research methodology. Types of data needed in research, data collection technique, and data process technique. Number 1. Introduction. Research background. The importance of tax for national development. Understanding of tax and income tax classification. Government organizations such as hospitals also have a role as tax collectors who are obligated to withhold, deposit, and report income tax Article 23 for services that have been used. Formulation of the problem. How to carry out the calculation, withholding, and reporting of income tax Article 23 at RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo in 2021. What is the calculation, withholding, and reporting of income tax Article 23 of 2021 at RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo in accordance with the Taxation Law Number 36 of 2008 concerning income tax? Research purpose. To identify how the calculation, withholding, and reporting of PPh Article 23 years 2021 is carried out at RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo. To identify whether the calculation, withholding, and reporting of PPh Article 23 of 2021 at RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo in accordance with Law Number 36 of 2008 concerning income tax. Research benefit. For writers, add insight, knowledge, and understanding regarding the calculation, withholding, and reporting of income tax Article 23 by paying attention to partners who have NPWP and without NPWP based on Law Number 36 of 2008. Research benefit for RSJD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo. Become input material and provide information regarding the suitability of calculating, withholding, and reporting income tax Article 23 according to Indonesian tax regulation, namely Law Number 36 of 2008. Research benefit for Politeknik Negeri Semarang. As additional information and literature for taxation at the Politeknik Negeri Semarang, as well as a reference for readers, especially students of the accounting department who want to know knowledge about income tax Article 23. Number 2. Literature review. Tax definition. Tax is a mandatory contribution from the people to the state whose collection is regulated by law without receiving direct reciprocal service and is used to finance state households that are beneficial to the wider community. Function of budgeteer or source of state finance. This means that taxes are a source of government revenue to finance both routine and development expenditure. Regular function or managers. This means that taxes are a tool to regulate or implement government policies in the social and economic field, and a safe curtain goes outside the financial sector. Income tax subject. The following is the definition of a domestic tax subject. Number one, an individual who resides in Indonesia. Number two, an individual who is in Indonesia for more than 183 days in a 12-month period, or an individual who is in Indonesia in a tax year and intend to reside in Indonesia. Number three, an entity established or domiciled in Indonesia. Number four, inheritance that has not been divided as a unit replace those who are entitled. The following is a foreign tax subject. Number one, an individual who does not reside in Indonesia or stays in Indonesia for not more than 183 days within a 12-month period, who runs a business or carries out activities through a permanent establishment in Indonesia. Number two, an entity that is not established and is not domiciled in Indonesia, which runs a business or carries out activities through a permanent establishment in Indonesia. Number three, an entity that is not established and is not located in Indonesia, which earns income from Indonesia, not from running a business or conduction activities through a permanent establishment in Indonesia. Income tax object. The object of income tax is any income received or earned by the taxpayer. The income is obtained by taxpayer from within and outside the country, such as number one, prize from sweepstakes or work or activities and awards. Number two, operating profit. Number three, royalties. Number four, rent and other income in connection with the use of property. Number five, insurance premium. And number six, income from Syariah business. Number three, research method. Definition of research method. The research method is a series of business activities to understand and develop research science to solve a problem. The research method in compiling this final project include data classification, data collection methods, data processing methods, and writing methods. Data classification. Number one, data by nature. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is data in the form of numbers that can be calculated and measured. Quantitative data are usually obtained from the result of calculation and measurements. The quantitative data used in the writing of the final project is the income tax return, Article 23 of 2021, and the list of proof of withholding income tax, Article 23 of 2021. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is in the form of words of descriptive that describe a situation or description of the quality of an object. The data obtained in writing this final project are in the form of an overview, organizational structure, and the main text and function of RSUD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo. Data classification number 2. Database source. Primary data. Primary data is a data source that directly provides data to data collectors. In writing this final project, we do not use primary data because no data is written directly for the first time. Second data. Second data is a source that does not directly provide data to data collectors. For example, through other people or through documents. The secondary data in writing this final project include an overview of the RSUD Dr. Amino Gondo Utomo, income tax returns Article 23 of 2021, List of proof of withholding income tax Article 23 of 2021. Proof of state revenue or proof of receipt of letters. Method of collecting data. Interview. An activity carried out to obtain information directly by asking questions to the informant. In this method, interviews were conducted directly with the staff of the finance subsection of the RSUD Dr. Amino Gundo Utomo regarding matters relating to income tax Article 23. Documentary study, an effort to obtain data and information in the form of written notes or stored images relating to the problem under study. In writing the final project, the documents collected are in the form of income tax return, Article 23 of 2021, list of proof of withholding income tax, Article 23 of 2021, proof of state revenue, and proof of receipt of letters. Writing method. Description. The description method used in this final project is to describe or explain the general description of RSUD Dr. Amino Gundo Utomo. Exposition. The exposition method used in this final project is to explain the calculation and withholding of Article 23 income tax at RSUD Dr. Amino Gundo Utomo. That's my presentation. Thank you.